Ratatouille, which comes from Provence in France, is known for its delicious medley of zucchini, peppers, and tomatoes. Here we'll make roasted Ratatouille Strata, which has eggs, bread, and cheese. It's a more hearty version. We'll start by cutting half an eggplant into bite-sized chunks. Transfer the eggplant to a large bowl. Add 2 zucchini, 2 red and 1 yellow bell peppers cut in bite-sized chunks. Toss in some olive oil, dried oregano, and basil, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. Mix until the vegetables are coated. Transfer to a baking sheet and roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, stirring once until the vegetables are soft. Whisk together 1 cup of milk with a cup of 15 or 18% cream with 6 eggs. Take 8 slices of white sandwich bread and cut each one diagonally in half, and place them in a buttered baking dish. Add 1 chopped tomato to the vegetables and stir well. Scatter half of the vegetable mixture on the bread slices. Sprinkle with about 1 cup of Canadian shredded mozzarella and 3/4 cups of Canadian shredded Asiago cheese. Top with the remaining pieces of bread, as well as the rest of the vegetables. Slowly pour the milk mixture on top. Press down on the bread to submerge it, and sprinkle with the remaining cheese. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight. When the dish has rested, bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until the strata is hot in the middle and the cheese has a deep golden color. If you see that it's browning too quickly, don't worry, simply put a piece of aluminum foil on top for the last 10 minutes. This dish looks and smells incredible. Make sure to let it stand for 10 minutes before serving. Why not make this roasted Ratatouille Strata ahead of time and serve for a brunch your guests won't forget?